Welcome friends! It's me, coordinator Hideki, and my man, Japanese chef Yuya.
よろしくお願いします。
So Yuya, what are we cooking today?
今日は豆腐ステーキを作ります。
Ooh, tofu steak. Sounds good. Sounds great. Sounds awesome. Awesome.
Awesome, really?
It's like really good.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay, so what is tofu steak?
豆腐ステーキは美味しい、ヘルシー、嬉しいの 3C。
Oh, 3C. So tofu is made by juice soybean into square shape. Low calorie, high protein, and zero cholesterol. So for a woman, it is very good for keeping your beauty. And for men, it's good for making muscle. So yeah, shall we go?
Okay.
Let's start cooking! This is today's ingredients. Mirin, sweet sake, sugar, cooking sake, butter, soy sauce, garlic paste, dashi, green leek, tofu, potato starch. For potato starch, you could replace it by using cornstarch or flour. First, we pressure the tofu and get the extra water out from the tofu. Let's leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. 15-minute pass and all the unnecessary water is out from the tofu. We are going to coat the tofu with the potato starch. Make sure to coat both sides of the tofu. So here it is, tofu steak. Alright, let's try some. Oh wow.
Soft.
The sauce is great. Alright, let's try the tofu steak. This is steak.
Steak.
This is steak. This is really a steak. So we didn't use any meat at all. So this dish is good for vegetarian.
Good taste.
So good. ごちそうさまでした。
ごちそうさまでした。
The tofu steak was great. I love it. It was so good. It was just more than a steak. It is a new way to eat tofu. A lot of new things I learned. So Yuya, tell me the important essence of cooking a tofu steak.
水をしっかり抜くこと、焼き目をしっかりつけること、ゴールデンブラウン好きな味にすること、自分の好きな味付けにしてみんな自由に楽しくやること。
For a tofu steak sauce, you can use any ingredient. Today we use shoyu, mirin, garlic, dashi, and sugar for the steak sauce. But you could add or subtract ingredients and make your own original steak sauce. Japanese food is freedom. You can do whatever you want.
フリーダー
Tofu steak is very easy to make. Please give it a try and let us know how you think about it. Please like and subscribe our video
グッドボタン
and let us know your comments on the comments below. Alright, see you guys next time.
Next time